What are you guys doing?
We're doing this.
And what is this?
I don't know. Mommy?
Okay. All right, let's go.
Let's go. No, we don't want the baby hurt. That would be very, very upsetting to Mommy and Daddy. Faith, put this together. Good morning from your Delaware Disney people. Just got a couple errands to run, a little bit of a house to clean, and then trying to go down and get some shoes for Disney because, well, the ones we have aren't exactly ideal at the moment. So, should be a fun day. Thanks for traveling along with us.
Will, come on. There's more in here. Come on. Come on.
Mommy, no.
Come on.
Well, finish your pouch, okay? Come on.
Okay. Distracted back on.
Mommy?
Yep. What's your estimate on how long we can fetch?
So I think tomorrow will be a good day to go down to the playground.
Yay.
Yeah. You gonna take a nap, little man? Yeah, his eyes are glazed over. You think he's tired? No. So I already had a chance to get a couple things done. Went to Lowe's, went grocery shopping at Walmart, and now we are in Salisbury trying to get some shoes for Disney, and then probably just walk around the mall, get a couple outfits for the kids. Just routine stuff. I know, you just took a little bit of a nap. What? I already am. Seriously, guys? You're just gonna, like, lean on me?
Yeah.
Well, guys, I love you, but can Daddy move a little bit?
Sure.
Thank you.
Because again, these aren't 14. These are just the size for it's going to break.
They might fit well.
I don't think they're going to fit.
Oh, that's adorable. That is adorable.
No jumping.
What do you say, little man? Want to go get some pretzels? Yeah? You gonna go get some pretzels? Certainly a lot easier to get around this mall at about 11 o'clock in the morning when they first open. Hardly anybody here. Got your pretzel, buddy? Yeah, you got your pretzel? Yep, the mall was closed. We were here as soon as it opened. I know he likes to try to get out of that seatbelt, but no, you can't do that when we're driving, buddy. You get really hurt.
stroller?
I feel like walking.
Okay.
Just got back from Salisbury, so now we're gonna get ready to put some stuff away, get these kids in the stroller, go for a nice little walk, and give me a chance to break in the brand new Hocus for Disney.
Nice outside.
Yes, it is. It is gorgeous out here. No, but it is something we will have to look at. There's a lot of cute stuff there.
Let's play best day ever.
Yep, Bluey.
Oh yeah, Toy Story.
And then his swimsuit.
Oh, this is a swimsuit.
That's a swimsuit, yeah.
You know what? That's cute.
That's a swimsuit.
Yeah.
It's got a lining. Yeah, that's good.
Dirty. Daddy's gonna have to. That's on Daddy's list. We're gonna make Daddy's list.
Daddy doesn't like lists.
Well, you know what, buddy? Say this is what happens when spring is upon us.
Yeah,
Are you gonna help her?
I will.
Higher!
Higher.
Higher! That higher!
Honey, I'm not going to go too high. I'm not trying to hurt you. If you fall, it's going to hurt. Okay? I got the baby man now. Woo! Woo!
What did you take by yourself? Why do you take all of us? You take things so we can both do
I put shots of everybody so we can all be in the video.
Really? That's why you take pictures of them so we can all be in the video, right?
Yep, you got one. Got it. Click the middle. Been a pretty busy afternoon. Got the kids home, went for a nice walk. Put them down for a nap, played on the playground for a little bit outside. Going to dinner now at Texas Roadhouse. And then who knows what we're getting into from there. Perfect, thank you. Want more salad? You want more daddies or more mommies? Oh, you want more of mine? Okay. You're good?
Thought you wanted to get out of the house? You don't want to?
Got it.
Got more mac and cheese?
You want daddy to put some more on the plate?
Keep him straight, Will. He can't understand it. Uh-oh.
Got you.
There's two lids. Thank you. Look, you want to see it up here? The colors?
Yeah, see, it's just pretty colors.
No, we're not all done yet, bud. You're okay. It's just water.
Right? See, look.
We're all done. Yep.
I tried to push Will on the swing.
Fire!
He didn't want me. I'm chopped liver.
Fire! Fire! Mommy!
So a very long day, very productive day. We were able to get the kids a lot of different outfits for Disney coming up in June. It actually started to feel like we're really starting to get ready and get serious for this trip. So that was really, really nice. Got to get a new pair of Hokas. Always appreciate those really, really good shoes. I've always had good success with them ever since I started wearing them about, let's say, 3-4 years ago. Really good for walking, especially in those parks. Certainly goes back to a very common mistake that people make when going down there, which is either wearing new shoes and not breaking them in, or just wearing the wrong ones. I know what works for me. I'm more than willing to spend the money that I need in order to make it happen because I know it's going to be worth it and I'm not going to be miserable on my feet the entire time. So appreciate you guys following along with us today. Please stay tuned for more future content. I actually just finished doing our Busch Gardens vlog from a couple weeks ago. So look forward to that here in the next couple days. So it's been real. Take care, you guys. We'll see you again on the next one.